What is happening in our body politic cannot be allowed to continue. It's been a season of authoritarian consolidation, while the fragmented opposition continues to descend into contrived commonness. Sana bila mashiko amdato kwa panapa aiwa na lawyer vari nelsonchamisa panguva ino. Parikuonekwa kunzi the opposition has been captured. And also nelsonchamisa ari kuuya achireceive attacks kune vanhu vamuri kuona vakaita sana upochi kuno. Sana bila mashiko amdanyirwa panapa aiwa nata vane mupofu not go subscribe like on the bell icon. Timda paindo paka mudanyira chiti too much effort is expended on petty squabbles and ego trips where personal interest overshadow the national interest, hindering progress. A fair amount of effort is thus expended by people trying to make votive, unrewarding, and unedifying points against those involved in the struggle. On their part, the struggle towards have allowed lethargy to seep in, been played against each other, and like cowards, they have deserted their standard in the face of the searing heat of the battle. In all this, ZANU-PF has become the biggest beneficiary as our people continue to suffer, even as they face a future that continues to be more bleak by day. We say this may not go on, and we must now announce measures designed to put the struggle for Zimbabwe back on its rails again. But today, we must stop and reflect. Today, we must focus on what brings us together rather than what separates us. Today, we must learn to love again. Today, we must learn to put the national interest ahead of everything else again. Believe Zimbabwe. Thomas Kwamdai Togo Panapa, Aiwa, na advocate. Tavani Mupofu wachiti aiwa Zimbabwe must rise from its ruins. Let us die, but let Zimbabwe live. Mashoko anoda panapa chiti aiwa, let us fight for our own country. Zvamuri kuona kesi iri kuitika chiti aiwa, we don't expect zvakadai zviitike munyika yeZimbabwe. ZANU-PF ichinyatsokuratidza kuti aiwa iri ruthless, hainei ina citizen. Inofanira kungomaintaina kuti varambe vari on to power. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pemashoko ake pina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.